The video you're watching demonstrates the installation of a roof rack on a 2023 Chevy Blazer. The roof rack was an Amazon purchase. The kit comes with the following items: 2 rails marked front and rear with directional angles, 8 chrome T-screws to attach the corner brackets, 4 foam cushions, 8 black screws with 2 washers on the screws, 8 chrome washers. What you see next reflects the arms and the joints connected with the T-screws.
This one is dedicated to all the ravers in the nation.
Now we removed